Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to do another how-to today, but from the last video, no one got the giveaway clue, no one won the giveaway. It was a set of Savage Gear mini split ring and braid cutters. Always a good thing to have in your kit. We're going to do another one this time, but it's going to be a different product and a different way to find it. This time it was just a little bit of writing towards the end of the video. We'll show you exactly where it was after we go through this. Stubby claws, we're going to glue them in, then we're going to do a test on how long it holds. So what we're going to do today, we've got some cable ties. Not all the rods these days come with a lure keeper, and you see a lot of guys putting them on their eyelet arms or even bloody in their eyelets. Eyelets or your guides are there for a reason, to keep your braid or your mono or your fluoro, whatever line you're using, from abrasion, from tearing, from cutting, from ripping, losing your $1 million lure that you got on the end, or the $1 million fish. So what we're going to do is we're going to use one of those cable ties on my daughter's rod that hasn't got a lure keeper. Pack for $2, you get about 25 of them in there. So if we look at that, less than 10 cents to save your eyelets. I reckon that's a pretty good deal. Let's go have a look at how we do it. So this is my daughter's rod, a little Shimano Kids Sticks that she got at the Gone Fishing Day this year. As you can see, there's no lure holder attached to this. So what we're going to do is we're going to get one of those mounting cable ties, as you can see here, and wrap it around that bottom section there, and we're going to cinch that off, not completely tight, but tight enough so that it doesn't pull past the rib. And it should look like that before you cut it. So once it's on, we just cut it off with a pair of scissors, or if you'd won the pliers earlier, you could have done it with the pliers. And there we've got our little lure holder. It's going to make your life so much easier. As you can see here, even the smallest of hooks on this little treble fit in there, and that's going to make life thumbs up.